Your research or project affects the lives of people around the world. In order to do this, you want to engage with local populations in the best way you can. Usually, that means you're using a local language to get your point across or to learn from others. But the international development community still has tremendous potential to raise standards on the use of local languages. If you think back to when you needed translations, you most likely
Wobenya
remember that you couldn't
atenkapa
decipher or read them. In fact, you probably had to take a leap
mmirikatuo
of blind
tumi
faith
ma wo.
that your tools made sense. What if there was a way to not be so blind when you leap and rather have a trusted translation resource? What if you were able to guarantee and certify proficiency in the local language and guarantee that you're saying what you mean and meaning what you say? ILC Africa has worked for over 14 years in North, West, East, and Southern Africa as a local partner to operationalize and execute development projects.
Over the last 14 years, ILC Africa has worked with international partners to carry out development projects. One special skill that we have honed is standardizing translation into local languages. We have pulled together all of our lessons learned to develop a local language certification tool. Our certification tool supports hundreds of local languages such as Swahili, Asante Twi, Yoruba, Hausa, and so much more. We understand the local African setting and also certify in other languages such as French, Portuguese, Arabic, Spanish, and English. We offer you the choice to individually certify candidates or contract us to find you the pre-certified staff you need. Lastly, our tests and tools are made for Africa as they are low cost, accessible, and payable by available local payment options such as mobile money and rapid transfer.
So, what does the test look like? Test takers can expect a 90-minute test. The test assesses four areas: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. This 90-minute test is a computer adaptive test where the test taker moves through a series of questions. The test is interactive and requires you to listen to audio recordings and record your responses. Test takers will face a variety of question types such as multiple choice, fill in the blank, multi-selection drop-down, mix and match, free text response, and true or false or yes or no. The test can be administered in two ways. It can be administered by coming into one of our ILC Africa offices, or it can be taken remotely with an online video proctoring system. Virtual video proctoring is a key aspect in the fidelity of implementation of our tests. We are most proud of this feature because it allows users to take the test from anywhere. The powerhouse feature behind this test is human beings. We are proud to feature a technical committee of linguistics experts. Now, the actual test. We always begin with the speaking section because it puts the candidates at ease and relaxes the mind for free-flowing speech. We ask simple questions that increase in complexity. Then, we move into the listening section, where the test taker is asked to listen to passages on international topics, protocols, and other professional conversations. Onto the reading section, you will see more traditional aspects whereby the test taker reads a series of short passages and answers questions. Onto the writing section, where we ask the test taker to translate key vocabulary words and pinpoint grammar inaccuracies. How is the test scored? You are scored from level 1 to level 5, where level 1 is no working proficiency and level 5 is functional native proficiency. Who may be interested in this? Everyone. This local language certification tool is a 360-degree empowerment tool. It empowers international projects, evaluations teams, chiefs of party, and principal investigators who will get greater value and a guarantee of data quality. The youth workforce equally brings the strength of their skill sets to contribute to your teams. Let ILC Africa raise your standards. Get local and get certified.